Shalom, and peace and blessings to you all. I'm Chef Shauna at Lancer Camp, and I'd like to show you a simple way to make fresh homemade butter. All you really need is whipping cream and a bit of patience. Whip, whip, whip until the liquids begin to separate from the solids, and you will have solid milk fats, which is in turn your butter. The butter will separate from the liquid, which is actually buttermilk. Squeeze out the excess and you have beautiful creamy butter. Now, I had to take the opportunity to turn this lovely soft butter into a nice flavored compound butter. I am adding garlic, herbs, a little lemon, some fresh cracked pepper, as well as some spices. And of course, you could certainly leave it neutral and have the fresh, creamy, sweet butter as is. Oh, I added some pecorino cheese in there too. But ultimately, it's up to you. Just make sure you have a way to strain out the excess moisture, or you could simply use cheesecloth to squeeze out that extra buttermilk from the fat. After all, the more you get out, the better your butter, and the thicker your buttermilk will be. You could even create a nice sweet concoction with maybe honey and lemon zest, possibly even a little orange and a pinch of salt. I'm going to simply create a nice tight log using plastic wrap, but I'm going to try to be mindful that the plastic does not indent into the butter log so that there won't be any plastic in the creases when I cut it. Just roll it nice, neat, and tight, trying to remove out air pockets, and then firm it up either in the fridge or freezer. And you can cut yourself some fresh homemade butter right off of the little log whenever you need a boost of flavor in your favorite dish. Perfect to go along with fresh baked bread or even some nice fish, however you'd like to use it. And don't forget to use of that homemade buttermilk. Easy peasy. It just may be more economically feasible if you're able to get your hands on some heavy cream at a reasonable price. Enjoy!
Behold, in your